Hey guys,
Macron Cafe
we are here at Irani Cafe
in the Mama
at Prachi and
Annex.
Annette. Hi. It's our ladies' day out and
With Dada.
with Dada, obviously. We'll show you he has gone out for a smoke. So once he comes back, we'll make you meet him as well. So it's our day out at Irani Cafe. We are in Pune right now. And this is the aesthetic of Irani
It's
Cafe.
like an coincidence. We ended up landing here,
Yeah.
visiting cafe to cafe
Yeah,
today. It's
probably
a cafe day today.
once we are in Pune, we are most probably gonna come here very often
Very often.
for tea breaks or whatever.
Semester
breaks.
breaks. The trimester breaks.
Yeah,
will
our
be here.
internship is
Trimester.
right around the corner.
Right on the corner, but
So-
I don't know. It is there, but also we are being dicey.
Yeah, a lot. Actually, a lot goes into our brain. You know how people are, especially
How
Gen Z.
people, how Gen Z people, how the MBA people are about their career. Internships, life decisions.
Yeah, it is tough. I mean, it's fine. Let's hear from Annette. Annette, any words?
Regarding that.
1 minute, I'm in a call.
She too.
Sorry, Ruth only. See.
Ruth.
This is Ruth.
Hi Ruth. We are featuring Ruth for the first time in the channel.
So it basically is all the MBA girls. Soon they'll all be featured.
Yeah, we will
Hopefully.
surely feature. We'll feature the Paglu guys as well. Yeah.
The side people.
Yeah,
The boys.
side chicks, not ours.
Not ours. There's someone
Yeah,
else's
someone else's
side
side
chick.
chick. So yeah, but I don't know. It's a good day today. We've
We are going good so far.
yeah, we like the aesthetic of the cafe.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഞാൻ അവിടെ പോയി നോക്കാം.
So let's ask what Prachi is up to.
Up to nothing. I'm very tired. It's been a long day. Although the day is not completed yet, it's only 4:40. I'm already tired. Done with the day.
We plan to leave at around 6. So for the next
5:30. We're leaving at 5:30.
6.
The moment
so
clock hits 5:30, we
for
are leaving. We are going back to school. No, yes, we are. I'm so tired.
so we'll be here. We'll leave at 6 away from here. So for the next 1.5 hours or so, this is our adda. So yeah, it's quite good. It's quite short.
You can show them
Yeah, but how do you turn the camera around?
that. No, that's what you cannot.
Oh, so
So you just take the camera and
no, not like that. Can you like edit it later?
yeah.
Cut करके patch कर दोगी ना?
How, I don't know how this editing is done, but then here the girl will teach me. I'll make her sit with me.
I'd be happy to.
Good photos we took.
Good. Hey guys, बातों में हमने vlog करना भूल गए. हम लोग क्या क्या बना रहे हैं, क्या क्या खा रहे हैं. We forgot to say.
Apricot cake.
And it will give you taste test. You eat first.
I want small.
What's that face, Annette?
I like apricot.
She doesn't like apricot, guys. Now Prachi will have.
What, the apricot?
Prachi.
I'll try.
And her cold coffee is here.
See, cold coffee.
Isn't this some... Good. Can I have one?
Yeah.
No, the cake is not good, just the dry fruit was good. Sorry, guys.
I ate apricot. You didn't like it.
Okay, guys. Now my turn.
Do you want me to feed you?
Please. She's gonna feed me.
Where is my samosa?
You get. She's right. The
Only
cake
the
is
apricot part is good. The cake is not basic.
Seems to be little-
basic.
the cake is a little dry, but the dry fruits are good.
Cake is literally dry. See
And
the
then-
texture.
And then we have cheesecake. Let's see. Cheesecake.
Shout out to our lovely Ina.
Lovely ma'am.
They miss you.
We miss you. Want to be here with you. And this is, what is this, Raj?
Lamington cake. Not at all taste like Lamington. It tastes like basic bread and jam sauce.
Yeah, it does. It does. It does taste
Cream
good.
roll. Jam roll.
Now let us have this cheesecake.
And what else was there?
Tea and biscuits. Tea and biscuits. Soup. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Is it cheesecaking at all?
Don't put that face.
Diksha is calling you.
Fine, let me keep vlogging. We'll take later on.
Not bad. Not bad, but not the best. Yeah. So now Annette is gonna
Now
try.
it's my turn.
She's taking the miniest, smallest bite.
Okay, now Prashi's turn.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Bad.
It's not that good also. Like, what did they want to make? It's like a flan, but not really. It's very weird to describe what it is.
I'm gonna try.
Wait.
It's creamier, it's good, but the cheesecake that I had in my mind I made, it's not cheesecaking at all.
I'll take you to a place. Sorry for touching. I'll take you to a place. You get the best cheesecake.
Okay, now the Lamington cake.
Lamington cake.
I have tried, you try.
Me. Prachi. छोटा सा पीस दो बेटी गर्ल.
It's my love for you. Size of the cake and color. You need more.
Good, thank you. Well,
Because it is
the love
not much
taste.
dry.
The love tastes very good.
It's sweet.
The love tastes very good, but it literally tastes like bread and jam with chocolate syrup.
It does. So does.
Now, Annette is gonna try her cold coffee.
Yeah. Hope for the best.
We pray for you. Well, I'm sure she has some disappointment on her face.
Yeah.
Why do I feel like
Because-
everything here that we have tasted disappointing us for no reason?
It's not that much cold.
Can you move this hair off my?
It's not cold coffee, just coffee.
Thank you. It's not cold.
It's just coffee.
I don't need to say anything. My face tells it all. Prachi.
The cold coffee is bitter and it's not at all cold.
So
Cold coffee, just coffee.
that's the review, guys.
There is chicken.
By the way, we're waiting for one more item.
Excuse me.
Chicken samosa.
Chicken
not
samosa. Order किया है?
So we're waiting on that. Let's see. I'll pause and resume back once it's here.
Tell.
अच्छा वो ब्लॉग चल रहा है.
नहीं. Not anymore. Now don't tell.
Yeah. By the way, guys, this is Dada.
This is Dada. These are CR.
लोग ये क्या
Good
बात
for
कर रही है?
nothing.
मैं सोचा गाली दे दूंगा पसंद नहीं आएगा तो.
नहीं नहीं दे दो दे दो.
ऐसा कौन सा
We'll bleep it out.
This guy here is our CR.
तुम लोग भी ये सब
Boy
चालू
CR.
किए क्या ये सब फालतू बकचोदी वाला?
Yes, yes.
How many? Three.
हाँ?
Three.
That's a lie.
Three. Okay, off camera. Three.
और
Let's not
फोन सब में
discuss
मैंने एक ही फूका है तो
these
एक ही
stuff,
बोलूँगा ना.
please.
बेंचो मेरा मार्केट में क्या रेपुटेशन है भाई.
Your reputation, Dada. You
मैं
and
ये-
reputation don't go well together. Ronak, there's no reputation. Ronak alone is.
That guy is also telling. हाँ suppose these guys are doing party in
See, even our internship guy knows that he's a party guy.
Everyone. Why are you being so shy?
not a camera.
Guys, Annette is a little.
Dada, introduce yourself. We need an introduction.
No.
No. Give.
No.
Tell something, no, Dada.
मैं बाहर खड़ा था इसलिए
Which one is your favorite color? Tell. Which one is your favorite color?
कलर
You want to
You have to look at the camera and talk.
Mike?
You have to look at the camera
Interview.
and
फेवरेट कलर ब्लैक एंड वाइट
talk. That is not a color, black and white. There are two colors. One, you have to name one. Say pink. Say you
रेड
like pink.
रेड
Red you like. This is such a lie, guys. Never
He likes.
seen him in-
He likes pink.
His favorite color is pink.
फेवरेट कलर डजंट डिपेंड अपॉन यू राइट
He comes.
Just better ignore him. He's not worth our time, guys. Annette is little sad. She's waiting for her chicken.
my samosa.
My chicken. Her
She's
chicken
literally-
samosa.
My chicken samosa. Where is it? My chicken samosa.
This is blocking my face.
Not here, guys.
Bottle.
It's not coming. I don't know. They're making chicken.
I think they're.
ये क्या है ये वाला
She's
Try,
खा के
try.
देखो.
Cheese.
Let's see.
Dada is cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Dada is being fuzzy because we are not showing him on the camera. So he's like, please include me, guys. Give the review. Did you actually like it?
Is it? Off camera?
He's lying, guys. I had, babe, I had. What is this? If I get you to should get fed. What is this toxic love about?
It's not toxic love. It's love. I'm not even able to take it. Put it in the spoon.
That's so big, huh?
No, guys.
Usually have chicken
Such a
samosa
big
here.
samosa. this
Our star.
मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया
Fully disappointed.
It's very hot. They were actually making it just now.
should I call this guy
is. In 10-15 minutes. Let her eat first.
How much?
65 rupees.
should I go buy alone
What do you want?
अकेला
Home you want to go alone?
Why would you go alone? How will we go?
He wants to go by walk. Let him go.
To Lavasa? That dead body will reach Lavasa next day.
How will you go then?
We're friends here or what?
Dada's girlfriend is here, guys. That's why he wants to go alone.
The name of the vlog should be Irani Cafe and Roasting Dada.
By the way, you know how old Dada is?
As old as the cafes. As old as the cafes. He has spoken to dinosaurs as well. Tell how was the experience, Dada?
Dada, which language do dinosaurs speak?
अच्छा ये अच्छा है कि तुम लोग उस टाइम जन्म नहीं लिए so that कि हम लोग खा जाते थे
अच्छा.
better that you guys
These
are Gen
Asian
Z.
Irani cafes, they are just like equivalent.
ancient.
They are from ancient.
Even you can think like when Aniba came into the
Existence. Dada was witnessing. That is
even
all.
Adam and Eve also.
Witnessed.
Witnessed, yeah. On hold, guys. Father is calling.
Really hot, but still,
हाँ,
I'm having a
बोले कि
bite.
दादा आप किधर हो एक काम करो ना वो पुराना
This is
ईरानी
good.
कैफे है ना
This is nice.
हाँ वो ईरानी कैफे के
Better.
सामने
You can have this when you come to Rani
10-15
Cafe.
मिनट
Maybe.
Maybe. She's like, maybe have this. If rest of the things disappoint you, you can have chicken samosa.
10-15 मिनट
Though you'll be disappointed by the size of the samosa, but the taste doesn't disappoint.
The taste is
तो मैंने 10-15 मिनट में आने के लिए
But not for worth it for money.
How much is it?
55 for this place.
yes.
It's expensive.
Yes, we are wrapping.
Okay, guys, see you. We're not wrapping up today.
Okay.
We're in the car. We'll
There's
show
yet
you.
to talk more about nonsense.
Yeah, and we have to roast. Yeah, a little bit. We have to roast Dada. And
Dada's getting angry. Show his face. That's Dada's angry face.
ये अगर मैं फेंक दूँ बाहर
ये मेरा फोन नहीं
That
है.
is not even her mobile. What do you mean?
Go on, Prachi. You can kill Dada. Kill him. Okay, guys. See you later. Toodles. Bye bye.
See you later, guys. Dada, say something you're supposed to say.
Say bye.
बाय बाय
Do it. Do it.
Your mind is good.
No, I am asking. I don't know about this.
Auntie?
ग्रुप में ज़्यादा लड़की होना भी ये होता है हमारा ग्रुप लंडे लपाटे अब तो 10
ये करो.
ये तुम लोग का चक्कर में बेंचो दी क्या करना पड़ रहा है
और hearts.
They will ask me that what
Hearts.
you do with
Hearts.
Do this. Smile. Saringeo.
Sarangyo.
Say Saringeo.
Sarangyo.
This is going.
Hey guys. Hello from the car.
विरंगुर में वो पान
Yeah, Prachi, you wanted to say something.
Lately we realized it's Akshay Tritiya today, so Adani has some plans.
Yeah, so what I was planning is we'll pool in money, all the girls over here. Annette will give 1 rupee, I'll give 1 rupee, Prachi will give 1 rupee, and our Dada here
हाँ
will give 15,000 rupees.
15,000 yes I'm going to give you
Yeah, Dada's gonna.
1,000
It's on
rupees
record
is
now.
Yeah,
15,000,
Dada's
yeah.
gonna give us 15,000 rupees, and we're planning to buy 1 gram of gold, which will be worn one day by Annette, one day by me, and one day by Prachi Sahu.
Woo.
So it's a collective property now.
yes
Property.
So yeah, please let me know in the comments below how is our idea of buying gold. Dada, do you like it?
no
He loved it. He loved it.
Dada loves it. He's a little
He's the one
camera.
who proposed the idea.
Yeah, he's a
actually.
little camera shy though, but
He's
I know,
everything
he loves,
shy.
He loves it. He
But
loves
then
it.
he's fine.
He's loved it. Dada, say hi.
no bye
Say hi.
Being beaten on camera, Dada, not good.
Say hi.
अरे ये इधर से क्या कर रहे हैं अरे आप
Ready?
Hey, hi, bol.
मतलब इधर से बोले
God, you
Hello, bol.
started this
Hello.
harassment.
हेलो
No, not
हाँ नमस्कारम और क्या बोलते हैं वो
How do you
इसमें-
close the vlog? How do
अरे।
you say bye?
Nandi Namaskaram.
नहीं वो क्या बोलते हैं
Say
एक
it.
सेकंड मेरे को थाईलैंड में जाने के बाद वो मसाज वो लड़की लोग क्या बोलते हैं ऐसे करके
हमको थाईलैंड के बारे में नहीं पता.
God is ruining my vlog.
Guys,
Seriously.
just
Nandi Namaskar.
Nanni.
Sorry, Nandi Namaskar.
Nandi
Therefore, the day we are closing the
Oh,
vlog.
sun kiss.
Namaskaram.
Guys, join you in some time. I'm getting a call.
No,
Bye.
we are closing. Done for
No.
the day.
We will be right back.